Are you looking to take your Google Ads skills to the next level? If you are a business owner, a chief marketing officer, or a director of marketing, well, you've come to the right place. My name is Richard Cruz, and I'm the founder of the Google Ads Academy. Google has been making dramatic changes to the platform, and keeping up with what works is crucial if you want to have success with your Google ad campaigns. Getting great results with your Google and your YouTube ads is really not difficult if you have the right fundamentals and the right processes. Hacks and tricks, they don't cut it anymore. Third-party software is never going to give you the best result possible. Google's new automation gives you great control and lots of options if you know what to look for. After 20 years of digital marketing and running numerous campaigns, we've developed a methodology that is simple and is quick and easy to learn. It allows you to be able to ramp up campaigns and be able to get them profitable very quickly, and it's all taught in the Google Ads Academy training. The training is designed to empower you, to help you feel in control, and get you quality results with your campaign, and again, not being dependent on those third-party applications. Google's help desk also is not going to cut it for you. You need to have those skills right at your fingertips. The course modules, they're easy to follow. They're filmed in short segments so that you can actually learn and retain and follow step by step. The content is great for beginners and for advanced ads managers. The Google Ads Academy course will help you save time and money by setting up campaigns correctly from the start. You'll learn how to manage budgets both large and small. So try some of my training videos completely free. See how you like my training style, and if you do, you can sign up and get the complete course. I wish you much success, and I thank you for watching this video.